Welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm making chicken and dumplings. Let's get started. Okay, in this pot I've added some water. I'm going to add some bouillon. But you can simplify it. Instead of making your chicken broth with the bouillon and water, you can just buy the chicken broth in the box and use it. But I want to do it this way. We're going to stir it around and we're going to bring it to a boil. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. So it has heated up, and I've tasted it to make sure it's seasoned to my liking. I'm going to add some pepper, and I'm going to add into the pot some skinless chicken breast. I'm going to drop them down in there, and we're going to let them cook. They should be about ready. Let's see. Yep, that's about it. I'm going to take these out and let that continue to simmer. And we're going to shred them, but I'm going to cut them in half. Let me see, this way. I'm going to just shred them up. It's been so dreary all day. Haven't seen the sun all day. It's rained a little bit, but I guess I shouldn't complain because I'm still here to see it. But I do want some sun. And I'm going to shred these up, and I'll show you what we'll do next. I've shredded my chicken. Now I'm going to set it aside. Now we're going to make our dough for our dumplings. We're just going to add this in the sifter. Get out all the lumps for a fluffier dumpling. Sorry, just left that one. Just a little more. I'm going to use all of it. I'm going to save some to roll it up. That came out pretty good. And we're going to just make a well in the middle. And we're going to add cold water. And mix it. More cold water, and mix it. I'm going to use my fingers. I got to add a little pepper and salt. I'm going to add that in the mix. Excuse me. And some salt. And that ought to do it. And some more water. More. going to get this together. I'm going to mix this together. Make sure you mix it well. See how it's coming out? And I'll show you what I'll do next. This is about how you want it though. Just a little bit gummy. And we're going to finish that up on the board. Going to add some flour. I should have dried my hands a little more. Bring it back as we need it. And we're going to dump this down here. And all we're going to do is like just knead it until it toughens up. Oops. Ooh. Oh, I hate a mess. Somebody's going to be happy when they come home to this. Yeah, it's my favorite. My mother used to make it for me all the time. I loved her chicken and dumplings. Never had any like her, you know. I'm not even as good as she was, but they were delicious. I'll just imitate them the best that I can. Sorry, I put it on this paper. I don't want flour all over my board. But this is going to be about it. And I'll show you what we'll do next. Going to sprinkle some flour on top. And we're going to roll it out. Oops, hold on. Add some more flour. And roll. 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 You want to try to get it really thin. If it sticks like that, just add a little more flour. Yep, this is it, unedited, uncut. Stuff falling over and things getting really messy and everything. But this is the true kitchen. This is how it goes down. It's not quite as thin as I would like. I'll just make this as thin and I'll cut these. Ball it together and roll it out again. And that's how you do that. I hate them when they get, I like them to be a little bit chewy, but I don't like them when they're gummy on the inside. Not so tasty. Okay. Show you. And here it is. I'm going to finish these up. They're kind of stuck. What is really going on? But anyway, I'll take care of that. Put some more flour down there. We'll do that. I had to do a rewind on that. Make sure you have enough flour down so that it doesn't stick. So, as I was saying, you just cut them the long way. You can cut them any kind of way you like. But I'm cutting them the long way. want you to see. And I'm going to cut these up, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. In the broth, I'm going to add some carrots that I cut up, celery, and some onions. Stir that around a little. I'm going to add more pepper, and have some butter. I work a lot with my hands, so. And stir that around. And here I have some half and half and whole milk. Let me turn this on. Whoops. We're going to bring that back to a boil, and I'll show you what's next. While it's coming back to a boil, I've tasted it. I'm going to add just a little more bouillon. That's it, just a pinch. And I'm going to add my chicken in. Then when it comes up to boil, I'm going to add my dumplings. And you know, if you make too many dumplings, or even chicken, you can always bag it up and put it in the freezer and use it for another batch, another time. Put it all in. Okay, it's back up to a boil, and I've dusted my dumplings with a little flour, which is going to help thicken. And we're just going to dump them in. They're not cute anymore, but it's okay. They're going to taste good, that's for sure. My mother used to just pinch them like her whole batch of dough. She would just pinch them and throw them in. I guess I tried to make them cute, but it didn't work anyway. So we're going to put all these in, and I'm going to show you the finished product. I've let the dumplings cook for 10 minutes, and I tasted it, and it's delicious. Now I'm going to put some in a bowl. There you have it, chicken and dumplings. Delicious chicken and dumplings. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Well, that's it, and that's all. Later.